My name is Chris Atkins and this is David Smith, and we are with Delta Legends Foods, and we are happy to tell you a little bit about our company. We are here based out of Memphis, Tennessee and northern Mississippi, and we are proud to be bringing these great products to you. We are located in many stores around this area. We're located in Tennessee, we're located in Mississippi, Alabama, Arkansas, Missouri,
Louisiana,
Virginia,
a little bit of Indiana,
yeah,
a little bit of Illinois, a little bit of Georgia.
And we're headed to a little bit of Florida here soon.
And a little bit of Texas.
And a little bit of Texas. So basically, we are expanding and we're coming to a store near you. And we are bringing some great products, guys. And we are very happy to discuss those. But before we get into that, we want to tell you a little bit about Delta Legends.
Delta Legends is exactly what the name says. We are from the Delta. I'm from the Arkansas Delta. Chris is from, his family's from the Mississippi Delta. Chris is from Memphis, which is the crown of the Delta. So we understand what has come from the Delta in the past, and it is the whole way we're building our foundation for the future. We are showing folks the beauty of the Delta.
Absolutely. And the Delta has a historic past. Some is not so good, but we're focusing on the beautiful parts. And there is beautiful parts from Greenwood, Greenville, Itabena, Clarksville, Walls. It's beautiful places all throughout the Delta. And we're here to just shine light on it and show you the taste of the Delta with these different seasonings that we have here.
What are some of the new ones you come out with, Chris?
So our new seasonings that we are coming out with for this holiday season, we have firecracker, we have ham-BQ, we have bird-BQ, we have wild game seasoning, and we also have Mom's Soul Food seasoning, which is my favorite.
Yeah, one of mine too.
Yeah, and pretty much Mom's Soul Food seasoning is an all-purpose seasoning that was developed by my mother. My mother is the one who got me into developing these different spices and different seasonings, and she pretty much showed me the ropes on how to blend seasonings that you wouldn't think to go together, to bring those seasonings together to create something beautiful, just like the Mississippi Delta, because some things you would look at and they don't go together, but they create something beautiful, and that's what we're here doing.
What did your mom do for us here at the company that how we could all try it, if you don't mind?
Yeah, so we were testing the seasoning. She gave me the recipe and I blended it. And she cooked some pork chops, black eyed peas, and green beans for us to taste with that Mom's Soul Food seasoning. And that's the only seasoning that she used in that. She didn't add any salt, any pepper, seasoned salt, didn't add anything else, just cooked with that seasoning. And it was delicious. We still have one of our employees talking about it to this day.
That's right. He never had nothing like that before.
No.
In fact, can I add to that?
Yeah, absolutely.
Last night, I made a crock pot, well, yesterday actually, of beans. I did bone-in pork chops with your Mom's Soul Food seasoning, seared them on both sides in a skillet for about a minute, 2 minutes each. Then put them in that crock pot with some more Soul Food seasoning, a little bit of Tex-Mex, a little bit of steak burger, and I let that go for 6 hours. Good Lord, that was good cooking. I mean, a good eating. It was good cooking too, because you know I did it. But it's fantastic.
And that's good. So I want you guys to try this season. So you can, even if we aren't in the store near you, if you're in Oregon, Hawaii, Alaska, New York, wherever, you can go to DeltaLegendsFoods.com. That's DeltaLegendsFoods.com. And you can order any of these seasons and we will send it to you so you can cook with it for Thanksgiving. Also, let me talk to you about one of our new products called bird-BQ. Bird-BQ is for you to be able to use for Thanksgiving on your turkey. You can use on chicken, duck, whatever poultry you have, and it will kick up that flavor because I added hickory smoked powder to this season. So it has hickory smoked powder, which will make it feel like you cooked it outside on the barbecue pit. And it will bring out all those flavors and increase and enhance the flavors of your bird. Whatever kind of bird you cooking, it can be quail, duck, pheasant, turkey, whatever. If it got wings, this will improve the taste of it.
If it cockadoodles, put that on it.
If it cockadoodles, this will doodle.
And if it's too cold where you can't cockadoodle and you feel like you need to smoke a little, put that on it and it'll be like you just smoked it.
Yes, it will. And also, just like this, we have ham BQ. Ham BQ is good on anything pork. So this is actually, for, of course, what the name says for hams. But the first ingredient and what the most in this product, which has the most in this product, is brown sugar. It has a lot of brown sugar, and it also has a little heat and barbecue flavor to increase the taste of your ham and make it taste better.
Yeah, this is one of my favorites. This product right here, again, you think about holiday ham. When you made this, you thought, well, let's take that Memphis barbecue and put it with a brown sugar base. And that way you get the holiday ham with the Memphis lamb. I'm telling you, this is it. This is the product. So if you want to try a different ham for the holidays, ham BQ it.
Yeah, and you don't just have to put it on ham. You can put it on pork loin, pork chops, pork shoulders, whatever you want to cook with it. Even pork belly, it'll be good on there.
Not this belly, but pork belly.
A piggy belly, hammy belly.
Yeah, hammy belly. What about the firecracker?
Oh man, the firecracker is amazing. The firecracker, instead of using hot sauce to kick up the heat in your dishes, you can use this, and this will actually increase the flavor a lot better than the regular hot sauce. So I know a lot of you like to sprinkle Louisiana in your stuff, and that's fine. But if you want something better that's going to make the heat go through like you season all the way, this firecracker is it. It has some good blends of heat that will increase your chili, your soup,
I had a dude tell me, scrambled eggs, put on your scrambled eggs. I said, I haven't tried it, but I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, anything heat, I put it in chili, I put it in soup. I like to cook, just random Campbell soup sometime. And I put this in there with some Tex-Mex, and I'm telling you, it tastes like I made it.
Well, you did make it.
I did. Technically, I did make it.
So a dash, that's 1 dash, that's mild. 2 dash, medium. 3 dash, now you're bringing on the heat.
And I use 4. I like hot.
I like a little dash. So I do 1, maybe 2. Over 2, and I may need a doctor.
Oh yeah, I like to sweat when I eat it.
Really good.
So guys, we have some great stuff, and we shipping nationwide to you. Like I said, go to DeltaLegendsFoods.com. We're gonna have a good holiday sale going on the website for you, where you can use the promo code David and Chris. That's David and Chris, and you can get 10% off on your order. No matter how much you buy, you can get it. And we got great prices on these guys. So on all of our products, and this isn't even our full lineup. We have so many other products that will be great for you.
And remember this, guys, we are coming your way. We're going to be in the Florida Panhandle in just a short period of time, and just a stone throw away. We're going to be in the New Orleans market, just a short period of time, just a stone throw away. We're going to be in the Lafayette market, just a short period of time, just a stone throw away. We're going to be in East Texas in the next few months. Come March, come April, you're going to be seeing these displays all over the stores in your area. Be looking forward to it.
Yeah, and not only that, guys, we are trendsetters. We're making seasons that have never been made before. And just like we're making seasons, we're going to be making sauces here very soon. Sauces that you have never heard of, something new, because it seems like everybody has the same thing with a different label on it. But not us. We have different products that are brainchilds of some maniacs. and we're creating these products, guys, and their seasons right now, and sauces, marinades, and all kind of blends will be coming here soon. So whatever you need, DeltaLegends.com, we can get it to you. And on top of that, if you're a grocery store somewhere else outside of our region, just send us an email, and we will be able to send you those products directly to your store. You can email us at info@DeltaLegendsFoods.com.
That's exactly right. And what we got coming for people as far as how to cook?
Oh yeah, on how to cook. We will be making cooking videos, and we'll be coming out with these videos every single week. So we're gonna be showing you how to fry, how to barbecue, how to cook in the oven, how to saute, how to do all kind of things with these different products, and it's gonna help you because times are hard right now, guys.
That's right.
And we know you aren't going out to eat 7 days a week. So let's cook. Let's cook together and let's build this thing together and let's make some very good stuff that'll give these restaurants a run for their money.
Amen to that. And y'all keep cooking at home.
Keep on cooking.